Hey guys, welcome back to hopefully another winning session. We're playing the Gold Stacks 88. This is Dancing Foo. Yeah, there it is, Dancing Foo machine. We are at Windcreek, Wetumpka, $20 in, 88-cent bets. Nana's with us. Hopefully she can bring us some good wins here. Let's find the volume here and turn it up a little bit. All right, go for it. There we go. All right, so he expands when he's red, I think. Oh, yeah, a little bit there. $1.12. We'll take it. We'll take it. Okay, well, apparently he doesn't just expand when he's red. Maybe he has to have gold behind him or something, but we need 3 of these for the bonus. I don't know if they have to be left to right or not. Oh, they probably, yeah, they have to be left to right. Oh. Okay, I'm upset and this. Oh, we get dragons. Get 2 pay. All right, 2 dragons pays a little bit. We'll take it. Might need to turn this volume down. Hold on, it's a little high. Just a little bit. Okay, go for it. Oh, now it might be a little low. All right, let's try to find the middle ground here. There we go. All right. Bonus, bonus, bonus. Let's give it a little tap here, see if we can help win. Dancing food, dancing food. All right. I don't usually play machines like this because they're a little high for my price range, but I decided we've had a winning day so far. We're gonna go ahead and give it a try for you guys so we can show you some variety. Make sure you take a second to hit that like and subscribe button. Oh, I thought we were gonna get the 3rd wheel. Okay, so yeah, you can see the borders of the ones behind it when it lands and then it expands. There we go, like that one. There we go. It's almost $2. All right, we gotta do much, much better than that though. There it is again, but just some aces. Alright, see if we can pop a bonus. Oh, come on. Oh, we got some dragons though. Come on, just give us that bonus. Or at least pop the coins and the fireworks at the top. Alright, got some tracks. I feel it coming, I feel it coming. Bonus, 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 bonus. Oh. So the wild counts, I believe. So if we would have had the wild there, we would have won the bonus. And we're out of money. All right, time to put another 20 in. It took it fast, guys. I don't know about Nana's button pushing abilities over here. I never lose money that fast. All right.
Getting you back for being mean to me.
She said she's getting me back for me being. Oh, Nana, why, Nana? I guess I need to be nicer to her. She might have got us the bonus then. All right, come on, please get us the bonus. Bonus, 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 bonus. Oh, come on, hold on, let me. There we go. What are you looking for? Oh, it's way up there. It doesn't change, probably. No. Alright, here we go. I gave us a winning spin. I stopped it. Let's see if Nana can continue. Bonus, bonus, bonus. Oh, we got the wild, but not the 3rd one. Alright. It was close. I feel it's coming. I feel we're going to get it this time. On this 20 at least. Oh, I wish that was the wild there in that 2nd column. Bonus, 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 bonus. Come on, come on. It's teasing us, guys. Oh, there we go. Some firecrackers. It doesn't even equal, or it equals a little over our bet, but bonus. Oh. Come on, pop that up top. Bonus, bonus, bonus. Oh, we just needed a wild there. Just a wild. Bonus, bonus, bonus. I don't even know what I want now. Asking for bonuses when I had oranges. Come on, we need the wilds all the way across the expanding wilds. If it's not gonna give us a bonus, give us a full screen. This dancing food machine is making a fool out of me. Come on, come on. Oh, dragons. Oh, we need us the 3 in the first reel. That's $25. $25, people. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. He's enjoying his money up there. All right. Share a little win here. All right. We got a good thumbnail now. All right. Go ahead and hit it, Nana. She did not like waiting that long. All right. Let's see if we can. Oh, that's when we needed the bonus. We'll play it down to 20 if we can't win. We'll give it another chance to win. Firecrackers? No. Almost. Bonus, bonus. Somebody's winning a jackpot. Oh, there we go. We got a little bit. $2. Firecrackers? Should have continued. We need these lucky red envelopes up there filled with coins. Bonus, bonus, bonus. If he was over one. If he was over one. Come on, Anna. Ooh. Come on, you can do it. We got $4 left. Oh. Come on, we need a full screen of something. We only got 2 spins left otherwise. Oh, that hurt, that hurt. We needed the wild expanding one. Nope. All right, that's it. We're gonna go ahead and cash out at $20 and just take our winnings. Fine, we'll play it. Nana says we gotta play it, so we'll play, we'll play. Nana said she wasn't going to let me go home and drive me home if I didn't spend every last penny on this machine. Oh, we almost had it. We almost had it. I would have had to give Nana a hug and tell her I'm sorry. Come on. We need a full screen of something, though. Give us enough money to keep going until we get that bonus. Oh, if that was up, we would have had it. Ooh. Okay, we triggered it. I'm gonna touch. Alright, let's see. Let's show everybody the prizes. So we got 15, 40, 1,200, and 11,000. It's the mini. Alright, we got $25 though. Plus 10. Plus 10. 125. Nana just hit me. Somebody called 50. She assaulted me. Alright, so we got our 40 back. So now we're gonna leave. We might have 1 spin left over. we got 1 spin if we don't win. All right, we're leaving, guys. We're not gonna test fate twice. We'll come back again and try to get the bonus again, but right now we got our 40 back, so that's good enough. Thanks for watching.